Alright guys, we got a pickup video. We went to Retro Rehome today and we got a clip from there. We'll see it after this. But Warren, what'd you get? You got some good games today.
Yeah, I spent some money today.
Yeah.
He just had a bunch of NES games I still needed, like Castlevania 3, fantastic game.
Yeah.
Super C, which is like Contra.
Yeah.
We got Gremlins 2, which it looks pretty cool, and I've been wanting to get it for a while, so I finally picked it up. Got Radius, which is a shooter, great game, and this was just cheap, so I got Atari Warriors 2. It's not the best game, but I needed it for this work.
And she got me a choplifter 7800, so I'll do a video of that.
And I got,
of course,
Pokemon X on the 3DS.
Yeah.
Trying to get all the 3DS Pokemon games.
Yeah, he had a bunch of new stuff there, and he's doing trade nights and stuff too, he was saying, right? Was it the trade night?
Yeah, check out Retro Rehome on Facebook.
Yeah, check him out on Facebook. That's his big deal there. He's all about the community. So we'll just show you some quick clips after this of what we got, or the store, where it's at and whatnot. I'm not sure what came out, what didn't. So I'll see you when I see you guys. Hope you enjoy. Peace. We're here at Retro Rehome today, getting the pickups.